Sometimes you need a little extra help putting on and taking off compression stockings. Here's how the Juzo Slippie Gator and Easy Pad do just that. First, slip the device into the stocking, stopping just before your heel. Lay the Slippie Gator on the Easy Pad and insert your foot until your heel is just inside the device. Then slide your foot in a toe-to-heel rocking motion on the Juzo Easy Pad. You'll feel the pad gripping the stocking. Keep rocking your foot until your toes reach the beginning of the heel. Then stop. Pull the tabs of the device and work your toes through the elastic end. Please remember, no heel pushing in this step. Next, use the heel slide motion and pull the device up past your calf. You can also use the Slippie to take off your stockings. Simply slide the elastic end up and over the ankle. Then pull the stocking down and under your heel. Pull your heel backwards on the pad until the stocking is off. Slippie Gator and Easy Pad are purchased separately. Just ask your healthcare provider or medical supplier for details. That's all there is to it. If you need additional help or have any questions, visit JuzoUSA.com or Juzo.ca. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Juzo!